Hello friends, do you all know what is soldering? Soldering is a process that joins metal parts together using a low melting point metal alloy called solder. In general, soldering process joins metal parts to form a mechanical or electrical bond. For soldering process, first we have to clean the surfaces of the metals to be joined so the solder can wet them. Using a hot iron or gun, we melt the solder and apply it to the metals. One has to double check that we are using the right amount of heat for the solder and components we are working with. Then we have to allow the solder to cool and harden, creating a strong electrical and mechanical bond between the metals. Hope you got it.